In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Shopify admin dashboard. So go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. From here, click on online store right here in the left-hand side, and you will see drag down menus right here or drop down menus. So simply select navigation. Now from here, you will see your menus. So there is this default footer menu and main menu. So let's say you want to add a drag drop menu on the main menu section. So click on main menu. So as you can see, I already added a drop down menu. So I have a drop down menu for my products. So all products, drop down menu, and here's my products. So I'll show you how to do it. So first let's delete it and create new menu. So remove. Now you want to create a new menu item. Now let's say all products. Now search for your products and select the products that you want. So just click on add. And then again, you want to add all of the products. And to create a drop down menu, what you can do is simply drag it beside or below the all products section. So drag the pants up and to the right. So as you can see, it changes. If you drag it just at the top, it will just be in the top or below all products. So if you want it to be a drop-down menu, drag it to the top and to the right. So do this to all the current items and you're good to go. So as you can see, you have already created a drop-down menu for all your products. So that's it. Now click on Save Menu. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.